Hello, Caden Cards here. Today I'll be doing another random pack opening. I'll be doing a couple more of these because I just opened up all of like the 10s and stuff I got and then put them and then organized all the packs because I like doing random pack openings. They're my favorite because they like, you don't know what you're going to get. I have no idea what any of these came out of. I can't remember. But yeah. But anyways, we got Crimson Invasion. We only got one pack left of this, so I'll probably just do it in my next opening. Sun and Moon, 2 packs. Rebel Clash. All the pack artworks, the Darkness Ablaze, chasing that Charizard. Burning Shadows pack, and all the pack words of Vivid Voltage. It's 13 packs total. So yeah, let's get into it. This pack, don't really care what I get out of it. Oh, well, they flip it. It's white, so we're probably gonna get something. Not a pack I really want to get pools out of. Psychic Energy, Devoured Field, Swellius, Gastrodon, Corphish, Starly, Skiddo, Weedle, Alolan Geodude, Starmie, Nihilajo, GX. That is off-centered. And I don't even know. Yeah. Alright, Sun and Moon. I think it's the Ultra Ball gold card. Is the best card in this set. Lightning Energy, Spinda, Lily, Herdier, Zubat, Shelder, Yungoos, Paris, Caterpie, Stuffle, and Cluster Regular. And if any of you guys are wondering if I'm still into like sports cards and basketball cards and baseball cards, I am. It's just that I literally can't find any, and I like Pokemon. I did a Pokemon opening on my channel like 2 months ago or something like that. It was my first one. So, yeah. It might even been longer ago than that. So I'm not just in a Pokemon all over the hype, just so you guys know. I do like Pokemon. But yeah, I want to do basketball card openings, but I literally, they're so expensive and I can't find anything. And if I find anything, I definitely will buy it, but I literally, it's impossible to find any basketball card. Basketball cards. Even sports cards in general. Like, I find baseball cards every once in a while. But it's just like little 2 packs of update series. I don't not really want to open that, so. I've just been opening a lot of Pokemon because Pokemon's fun. I do like the way cards look in Pokemon a lot more. But I do like collecting my favorite players. That's why I have a PSA 9 Michael Porter Jr. Because I love that card. And he's a player I think is going to be really good. Alina, Twin Energy, Helioscus, Honage, Wingull, Coughing, Bronzor, Toxel, Galarian, Mr. Mime, and Probopass. Alright, now we're getting good sets. Like, really good sets. So, Darkness Blaze. Actually, I'm doing Charizard artwork last. I'm curious. If that last pack ends up being Charizard, that could be sick. Last time I thought I pulled it, I literally thought I was going to get it because I got a rainbow card, but it didn't look like a rainbow card to me, and I thought I was about to pull it. Fighting Energy, Carnivine, Big Parasol, Piers, Wimpod, Grimer, Clink, Ducklet, Mareep, Kabu, I'm happy, but man, it could have been the Charizard. I saw a little bit of peeking too, and I wanted to be Charizard so badly. I want that card. Like, I was almost contemplating buying a booster box of this, even though I want to buy a booster box of Vivid Voltage. But I'm not really 100% sure, because I want to buy a, I'm really trying to get the new Xbox. And I kind of want to save up my money for a new Xbox, maybe. My birthday's coming up soon, but I don't know if I'm be able to get an Xbox. But I really do want an Xbox. But I guess we'll see. Klein, Gothorita, Piers, Cuffin, Dino, Pansear, Mareep, Shovel, Hoopa, and Gorluck. Okay, Eternatus. I already have the Rainbow Rare of this card, so. I actually do have another Sword and Shield base set pack. And I really, really, really hope I can pull the Snorlax V Max. Because I really want that card. Because Snorlax is one of my favorite Pokemon. So, Fighting Energy, Lunatone, Dartrix, Glimwood Tingle, Glaring Mr. Mime, Torchic, Aaron, Rickety, Wishiwashi, Dunsparce, Kabul, Full Art. I've been in a lot of Full Art trainers lately, but that's a pretty nice centering. Yeah, pretty nice centering. It might be a little bit off. That's yeah, a little bit off top to bottom. Side to side looking perfect though. Alright, last pack of Darkness Ablaze. I still have more. I think I have like 3 or 4 more packs of Darkness Ablaze. Or we can not pull the Charizard for this set in this pack, and I'll be fine with the Charizard and Burning Shadows. Like, really fine with it. I want to pull that card so badly, but there's no way I'll pull it. Furret, Spinarak, Bounsweet, Dunsparce, Electrike, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Simisear, and Agron, Hollow. Oh, I want to pull Amazing Rare from Vivid Voltage. Alright, I have 2 more packs of Darkness Ablaze. I mean, not Darkness Ablaze, Burning Shadows. Was the code flipped on this? I can't even remember. I thought that was another one of those packs that was flipped. No, okay. So these, I'd be careful with. And I look away when I open the pack, because sometimes I do spoil the pack for myself, and I see, like, if there's a Full Art or not. And I don't want to do that with this pack. Electabuzz, Simipour, Rodham Dex, Ladybug, Inkay, Crawlbrawler, Tangamo, Tangela, Alolan Rattata. Ah, Tangrowth. Trash. Oh. Oh, crap. That's not what I wanted to happen. It messes up for some reason. It keeps wanting to fall. Sorry. Anyways, but we got all pack artworks for Vivid Voltage. It would be Pikachu in the back. Favorite artwork last as usual. I opened lots of Vivid Voltage lots and lots and lots of voltage. There's still videos that I made like a month ago that I haven't uploaded, and it's me opening vivid voltage. I've opened it a lot. Okay, is that a sign? Beauty, Shuckle, Nuzleaf, Rockruff, Tailwheel, Yanma, Wooper, Dedenne. Alright, so can we pull Galarian, Obstagoon, Pikachu VMAX Rainbow Rare, Leon Rainbow Rare, and a Rangaroo gold card too. I'll take those. Quagsire, wow. Quagsire from Family Guy. I can't. One, two, three, four. And I put the cards behind. I'm not putting cards in there, just so you know. Some people will say that. I don't have good enough cards to even put in there, so. But yeah, I just do that so because I look up at the cards and then make sure I don't look at the card. Please. Oh my gosh, I thought trash. Sableye and Snorlax Holo. I can't. I've pulled so many of that cards, and this pack might have came out of an elite trainer box because I opened up an elite trainer box and just took all the packs out of them. And every elite trainer box I've opened has had a Snorlax in it. So I wouldn't be surprised if that was out of that. That's crazy. Oh, and I have the Pikachu V. I have the Pikachu V. V Max and just not the Rainbow Rare. So literally, just to complete the whole like having all the Pikachu in this set. All I need is the Pikachu Rainbow Rare that I'm probably not gonna pull. If I do, because I was literally about, I'm not gonna buy a booster box of this probably if I pull the Pikachu Rainbow Rare. I don't know. Dusclops, Beauty for the 500th time, pick a pack. No. Choodle, Rylu, Chimecho. Oh my. Nuzleaf. Orbeetle Phoenix. I don't know how I think about that. I'm not a Orbeetle fan at all. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, Pikachu VMAX. I meant Pikachu Rainbow Rare VMAX. That's what we're calling this one. One, two, three. The back of that card has okay centering. Lightning Energy, that's a sign, you already know. Macargo, Nessa, Swellow, Galarian Meowth. Holy crap, these have terrible centering. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Arrokuda. What is wrong with the centering? These are just base cards. Pick it back. Ow. Make me sad. Trash! Alright, that's it. Peace.